So, well, as you can see, I haven't done anything on the drum studio yet. Sorry. Enough warm. Yeah. The plan is in different corners. So now see how it comes out over here. But one of the speakers is behind this wall, of course. So, but I want to just check it out how it sounds. Okay, so let's test the sound. Everything's finished. Finally. This one for the sound. Cool. And a P corner. Okay, let's test the sound. Distant, far away, distant, man. Okay, this side, a bit closer. Okay. Sure. Oops. Okay. Okay. This distance. The devil in my phone, you wanna talk? I'm not really up for conversation. I can have my cake and eat it too. I just gotta make a reservation. Chilling in my head, but it's hot. Flames everywhere, and I just say that. Niggas try to run up in my spot, but I'm really running out of patience. Okay, so it's getting a little late, even though it's still light outside, but it's supposed to be like totally dark outside at the moment, but the sun is even shining, so for November. But okay, I'm just testing the sound outside of the box, so to speak, outside of the drum studio. and then see how he picks up the sound from here, and then from behind the drum say, got the blower. Doing a good job, man, my brother. Okay, so so my camera's standing over there, of course, and then you probably cannot see me, but it's just for the sound of it, for starters. See how it goes, because maybe when it works, I'm gonna make a window, a soundproof window over there, but I can open it up then. So if I record some stuff, wait, then cool, huh? Look. But when I'm recording, then this one comes off, and I'm gonna make just as big as this one, but then a window, and then soundproof. But I can make it open, and so I can put the cam over here, all the way here, because the sound is much better. Because again, I'm just filming and recording with my cell phone, everything, and nothing digital and all that kind of stuff. And I'm gonna do that maybe later on, I don't know, but for now it works out really nice. And so then here again, this is the other space, and then here will be a window, and then I have more light also. But this is the studio, little studio part. This is where I record everything again, and then this is yeah, I'm trying to make a lounge of it also in the future. I tried it from this one here, like maybe a little in the middle, or like so maybe, and then something like this.